And his computer froze. Luckily, he is back and better than ever. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, we are up over 25,000 on the Dow yesterday. What was the big story?
Right, yesterday the Dow was up 152 points to 25,075. Now the average closed over 25,000 for the first time, and also several other indexes had multi-year high yesterday, so that was a good news.
All right. News on the home front and around the world. Uber, what are we hearing from them?
Right. Uber co-founder, he's supposed to sell 29% of his shares. Travis Kalanick previously stated he would not sell, but plans to sell $1.4 billion in the tender offer for Uber shares led by SoftBank. He was pushed out of his role as chief executive last year, but remains on the board. SoftBank will end up owning 15% of Uber after the deal.
That's interesting. What's the story on the drug industry? What's going on there?
Well, now the drug industry is ripe for a wave of consolidation, and if you look at it, drug makers have relied on price increases for a large portion of their recent growth, but those are getting harder to push through. So big pharma companies have a reduced ability to increase that net and pass it on to consumers. So that's going to cause some consolidation in that industry. So,
all right, wait and see what happens there. And then what do you know about the 401k savings?
Right. This is interesting. More consumer debt seen as a downside to 401k savings. Millions of people who weren't previously saving for retirement were pushed into saving with the automatic enrollment the companies have. But many appear to be offsetting that savings, that long-term savings, with adding more auto and mortgage debt. So that's considered like a negative.
Yeah, because the more debt you have, the less money you have to then sock away for a rainy day.
Exactly, yeah. And I guess they're trading one for the other.
Yeah.
So that's not a good sign.
Yeah, no, that's not good. All right, we're on a rocket ship. Do we have unemployment numbers this week?
We do. In fact, today the Dow looks up about 82 points. The Labor Department releases its final jobs report for 2017, and we expect the employers added 180,000 jobs in December, and the unemployment rate to hold steady at about 4.1%.
4.1, and we're up 82 on early trading. All right, those go on those numbers. Scott Crothers, thanks for getting up early. Stay warm, and we'll talk to you on Monday.
Thanks. Sounds great.